school supplies galing kay Mayor for year 2025-2026. Ayan guys, mga binigay ni Mayor, pencil, ballpen case na may ballpen, may kasama pang sign pen, all size of ruler. Ayan, hygiene kit, meron din. And scientific calculator. Ayan, scientific calculator for high school student ito high school ng aking anak, grade 9. Ayan, scissors, may kasama scissors, scotch tape, protractor, and then glue, may kasama din glue, at ang notebook na 8 pieces notebook, and then coloring pad. Ayan, iba't ibang kulay, isang set, and pad paper, plus itong water jug. Ayan, tumbler, inuman, baunan din sa school. Lahat yan galing sa aming Mayor. Maraming binigay na school supplies. Thank you for always supporting our kids. Dahil may school supplies na si Bunso, isi-share ko to sa aking mga apo at pamangkin na nasa Cavite. Ayan, caring is sharing.